And with the passing of this wooden paddle, Dr. Nadine Caron has become the founding First Nations Health Authority Chair in Cancer and Wellness at the University of British Columbia.
Please, please, give me guidance, give me strength, give me advice, and give me a voice so that we can work together for what this chair is supposed to ultimately accomplish.
Dr. Nadine Caron is the first First Nations female general surgeon in Canada. She currently resides in Prince George, BC, and provides surgical oncology care to rural populations in British Columbia. And many here agree that she is the right woman for the job.
We've lost too many loved ones to cancer, too many of our elders, too many of our women, our men. So we've waited a long time for you to come so that we can join hands with you and work with you so that we have healthier families and communities.
A recent study from the FNHA has shown that cancers such as colorectal and cervical are significantly higher among First Nations in BC, along with a lowered survival rate compared to non-Indigenous people.
First Nations, Métis people were able to voice some of the experiences and barriers to the care that they received as a result of cancer and some of their experiences. And really that really led us to develop an Indigenous cancer strategy.
Over the next 5 years, Dr. Caron and her team will adopt a holistic approach in the prevention and treatment among Indigenous peoples across the province through a $1.5 million grant from the First Nations Health Authority and a matching contribution from UBC. The newly formed position will also examine experiences and outcomes of Indigenous cancer patients and see how the healthcare system is responding to those Indigenous cancer needs.
Cancer is a diagnosis. You see it under a microscope. Wellness is a journey, and they are interrelated, but I think it's important that this type of research and this type of focus and these voices for First Nations are being brought to the forefront, and this was asked for by the communities.
Tina House, APTN National News, Vancouver.